Hi guys, today we're looking at the Yugoslavian mess kit. Readily available on eBay or Amazon for about £10. You can see it comes with its own canvas carry bag with a couple of belt loops that are good size, but personally I'd keep it in my pack. Got together with a press stud, and inside we have a nice nesting set of cutlery, a decent sized spoon, fork and knife. Knife's got a fairly good handle there, so you get a good grip on it. Comes with a can opener, bottle opener, and there's a little serrated section there to help you cut through things. Good set. Right, inside the pouch, the kit itself, locked together by the carry handle. You have one plastic pot that holds 800 millilitres. The main aluminium enamelled cook pot, which is very easy to clean inside and out, holds 1 litre. Inside here we have a 1 litre flask, so very easy for sterilising, no need to measure. And a 200 millilitre cup. Although, being this shape, obviously, you have to drink out of the corner, unless you want to get a wet chin. This being metal, it's very easy to sterilise water if you have to, by boiling it up, which you can easily harvest with these that get very close to the ground. All you just need then is just filter it, obviously, boil it off, you're good to go. Right, the whole unit weighs roughly 1 kilo, so obviously when you've got a full litre of water as well, you're talking 2 kilos, so that's why, as I said, I probably wouldn't wear it on my belt. But, fantastic bit of kit. For £10, you can't go wrong. You know, it all locks together nicely. When you're putting the cup back on, you have to be careful. There's a, oh, I forgot to show you. There's a little lip there. And that's so you can hold it on there, and if you were in a canteen sort of thing, you'd be able to go up and get your 3 different items. It's also quite handy if this handle gets a bit hot, if you are using it on a campfire. You can use that as a sort of a means to carry it about without burning your hands if you're not wearing gloves. Pretty good idea. Like I say, all fits together really good. I mean, there's not much wiggle room there at all. When you're putting the top on, make sure you have that clip away from the carry handle, which goes over there and locks it all together nice and tight. Nothing's going to fall out of that. Excellent bit of kit. Dimensions: 12 centimetres, just under 5 inches. 8.5 centimetres, so 3.5 inches. By 19 centimetres or 7.5 inches. Really can't fault it. Excellent piece of equipment. Go out and get yourself one.